Good afternoon. This is beatsp.com with how to set up a stock portfolio on 12/31/23. When you purchase your subscription, you'll see a download portfolio link, and in that will be the list of the current portfolio. Also in that will be a second tab. You can see here called the example portfolio. This has numbers filled into it currently, just as an example for you to see how this spreadsheet works. When you're setting up a portfolio, what you want to determine first is how much money you're going to put into that methodology. This comes by default at 10,000, but let's say it was 20,000, just as an example. There's 25 stocks. You can make it 20, and that would be $1,000 for each stock. You can make it 30, and that would be $667 for each stock. This is for an equal distribution across all of them. So I'll put that back to 25. Put this back to 10,000. And then what you'll see down the left side is a list of tickers. And when you download this, you'll see the beatsp.com portfolio tickers listed here instead of just these generic labels. And then what you'll need to do is just put in a recent price, yesterday's price, and those will be on the portfolio page in front of you on the website. So I've just put in some sample numbers here. You can see if I take those out and make this 100, just making up stock prices to fill these in so that you can see how the spreadsheet works. Basically, for stock one, if the price was $100 a share, you're trying to get to $400 that's your target per stock. So you're going to buy 4 shares, and that's what the spreadsheet's going to tell you. These numbers in green. This is how many shares of stock one you need to buy. You can see that the value of that will be exactly 400. And that's convenient, but if we go down to, say, stock 10, you'll see that the price of stock 10 is 145, and so you'll only be buying 3 shares of that, but you'll be getting a value of 435. So what this is doing is rounding to whole shares. Some brokers have whole shares only. Some brokers have fractional shares. If you have fractional shares at your broker, you can get exactly these amounts of shares and get exactly $400 in each stock. But if not, then you just have to round, and that will get you this total. You can see is 10,005. That's the total here, and it's going to leave you $5 short on the portfolio. So basically, what you could do is change one of these to be less. So if you didn't want to go over 10,000, you could make that one 3, and now your portfolio weighting is slightly off, but not a big deal. And then you would have cash remaining in your account. So you can see I'll just change this back to 4. But basically what you want to do is put in a recent share price for the tickers that we give you, and then it'll tell you how many shares to buy. You go to your broker, buy these shares, and that creates your portfolio. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at info@beatsp.com. Have a good day.